Hey babes, it's your girl Anastasia, and I'm here with you on a glossy lid tutorial. Let's jump right into it. To prime my eyes, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm just going to go and apply that all over my lid. Right here I'm using my Clinique pressing powder, and I'm placing that all over my lid to avoid creasing when I apply my eyeshadows. For fun, I'm going to be taking some concealer and applying this dash on my eyebrows just to give it like that shaved look, I guess. Just because I thought it was really cute and it's something there. To start off, I'm going in with this pink shade from the Beige Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm using my rounded flat elf brush and just placing that all over my lid. Now I'll be going in with this orangey shade with my MAC 26 brush around the pink shade, just to like smooth it out a little bit more and give it like a smoother transition. Going in with these two yellow shades, I'm taking my MAC 217 brush, and I'm basically going to place that above the orange and blend it in and give it a really nice smooth transition. Taking this angled brush, I'm going in with some black liquid eyeliner from Beauty Benefits, and we're just going to be winging out my eye. Time for a gloss. Okay, so when applying a gloss, I don't use that much gloss only because a little bit goes a long way. And when I'm applying this gloss, I'm trying to avoid my eyeliner so much because I don't want it to become runny. So, yeah. Before I apply any type of lashes, I'm putting on my e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara. Now let's work on the face. For foundation, I'm going to my go-to Maybeline Fit foundation in the shade 355 Coconut, and I'm just using my flat foundation brush to apply it. For highlight, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, shade Medium Beige, and I'm applying this all in the high point of my face, like underneath my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So for contouring, I'm using my Morphée palette Brontour in the shade Showmance. And then for baking purposes, I'm using my Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana. So for highlighting, I'm using this random little highlighting kit that I got from the beauty store. And I'm using this fan brush that I got from Beige Cosmetics.